What if I told you that you could sell tech solutions to real businesses? Without writing a single line of code, building any complex software, or even having a finished product. Sounds crazy? It's not. In fact, this is one of the most underrated online income opportunities right now. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell automations to small businesses using Make.com, even if you're a total beginner. Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we turn smart ideas into real online income. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Here we talk about automation, AI, and digital tools that help you build income streams that actually work. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a niche. If you try to sell automation to any business, you'll probably end up selling to none. The smartest move is to focus on just one type of client at a time. Why? Because when you understand a niche deeply, how they work, what they struggle with, how they talk, you can offer something that feels custom-built just for them. Think wedding planners, real estate agents, personal trainers, beauty studios, therapists, tattoo artists, coaches. They all have unique pain points, but if you try to speak to all of them at once, your message gets lost. Let's say you pick wedding planners. These professionals are always on the go, dealing with anxious clients, demanding vendors, timelines, calls, emails, chaos. And one of their biggest complaints? Not having time to respond to leads, send proposals, or follow up. That's where automation becomes a game changer. You can build a complete system that handles everything. A form in their bio to capture leads, a welcome email that sends service options, automatic scheduling with Calendly, a personalized proposal that goes out instantly, and even a follow-up if the client goes silent. And the best part? You can do all this with Make.com and a few simple tools. No coding, no headaches. So ask yourself, is this just a task? Or is it a solution that solves a real, urgent problem? Step 2. Find a common pain point. Before you offer a solution, you need to know exactly what's bothering your client. Because if you don't know the pain, you can't offer relief. If you already know someone in your niche, talk to them. Ask where they lose time, what slows them down, what they wish they could automate. If you don't know anyone yet, no problem. Do a bit of research. Join Facebook groups related to your niche. Search terms like wedding planner group, real estate pros, fitness coaches community, and just scroll. You'll start seeing posts like, I missed another lead because I didn't check my email in time. I'm so tired of sending the same proposal over and over. I want to automate my client process but have no idea where to start. These complaints are gold. They're straight from your customer's mouth. Use these exact phrases to craft your offer. Instead of saying, I create Make.com automations, say, I help wedding planners stop losing clients because of slow responses. My system automatically replies to new leads, sends a proposal, and schedules a call, all in under a minute. See the difference? It's not about the tech. It's about solving a real problem in language the client actually understands. Step 3. Use a pre-built workflow with Make.com. Now that you've picked a niche and identified a pain point, let's build the solution. And here's the good news. You don't need to start from scratch. Make.com has tons of pre-built blueprints for exactly this kind of scenario. It's like playing with digital Lego. You drag, drop, and connect blocks visually. Let's go back to our wedding planner example. Imagine this. A client fills out a form on their website. Typeform, tally, whatever. The second they hit submit, an automatic email goes out with a warm welcome and a button to schedule a call. At the same time, their info is saved into Google Sheets or Notion, a Google Calendar event is created, and, if needed, a contract is generated through PandaDoc. If the lead doesn't respond in 48 hours, the system follows up automatically. And here's the magic. You don't have to build that from zero. You can copy an existing workflow, plug in your client's tools and details, and deliver a fully working system, fast. You're not offering a tool, you're delivering a result. And that's what clients pay for. Step 4, package it as a product. You've built the automation. Now don't just offer it as a random service. Turn it into a digital product, a named, repeatable, ready-to-deploy solution for that niche. Because here's the truth. Services feel like hours worked. Products feel like results delivered. So instead of saying, I build automations, say something like, I created Lead Express for wedding planners, a ready-to-go system that handles client intake, even when you're off the clock. Give it a clear name that your client will understand in 3 seconds. Auto response system for tattoo studios, proposal blueprint for fitness coaches, client onboarding flow for therapists. Then build a simple landing page. Just the essentials. 1. The name of the system. 2. The pain it solves. 3. The outcome it delivers. 4. A screenshot or 1-minute demo video, and a button to book a call, Calendly, fill a form, or go straight to checkout. Stripe, Gumroad, Systeme.io. Now you've got a digital product you can sell again and again without reinventing the wheel. Step 5. Promote it. No ads required. Most people think they need paid ads to get clients, but in the beginning, you don't. What works best is personal outreach, real conversations with real people, and the platforms you already use are more than enough. Find wedding planners on Instagram or LinkedIn. Send a short, personalized message like, hey, I know how overwhelming it is to manage leads and reply to everyone on time. I built a system that automates that entire process. Your leads get an email, proposal, and call link in under 60 seconds. Want to see a demo? No pressure. Just helpful. Just real. Or post inside relevant Facebook groups. Share a quick screen recording showing the automation in action. Form submitted, email sent, call scheduled. Caption it like this. Just helped a wedding planner cut her email time in half. New leads now get everything automatically. Email, proposal, and a meeting link in seconds. If you'd like to see how it works, just DM me. That's it. No hype, no sales pitch, just value. 10 messages a day and a few posts per week is all you need to start getting real clients, totally for free. Step 6. Sell without sounding salesy. This is where a lot of people freeze. They think selling means convincing, pushing, or being slick with words. But here's the truth. When the value is clear, you don't need to push. People want in. So don't focus on the tech. Don't explain how Make.com works or how many tools are connected. That's not what your client cares about. They care about saving time, making life easier, looking more professional. That's it. So instead of saying, I connected your form to your CRM and set up automated triggers, say something like, this system saves you at least 10 hours a week. New leads will get a reply, a proposal, and a call link in less than 60 seconds without you lifting a finger. Clients will feel like you're available 24/7, even when you're not. That's what makes them say yes. Not the tools, the transformation. Now let's talk pricing. You can charge a one-time setup fee, something between $300 and $1,000, depending on complexity. Then offer a monthly maintenance plan, like $97 a month, for small tweaks, support, and updates. And here's why this scales fast. You're not trading time, you're delivering a system. Whether you serve one client or 10, the foundation stays the same. You're just tweaking the details. In the end, you're not selling automations. You're solving a real business problem in a way that saves time, reduces stress, and helps them grow. Step 7. Deliver with confidence. Client said yes? Great. Now it's time to deliver like a pro. Fast, simple, and smooth. And here's the thing. Delivery doesn't need to be complicated. You already have the workflow, whether it's a Make.com blueprint or one you built yourself. All you need to do is personalize it with your client's details, their email, their calendar, their tools. Once that's done, test the entire flow, from lead captured to final follow-up, to make sure it runs perfectly. Then, schedule a quick 15-minute video call to walk your client through the system. Show them the basics, let them ask questions, and make sure they feel confident using it. Bonus points if you also record a 2-minute tutorial video or send them a simple user guide. That builds trust and cuts down on future support requests. Now here's the beauty of it. Once you've done it once, it only gets easier. Let's say you work with wedding planners. After a few installs, your system is almost copy-paste. Same logic, same flow, same value. You're not reinventing the wheel, you're just duplicating it. Over time, what started as a custom setup becomes a proven product, one that you can sell over and over again. And it all starts with one niche, one pain point, and one smart automation. If you're thinking, okay, but where do I start with make.com? Don't worry, I've put together a starter blueprint you can download right now. It includes a full plug-and-play automation for service-based businesses. You'll find it in the first pinned comment below. Now, I want to hear from you. Which niche would you start with? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If this video sparked any ideas, hit that like button. And if you want more no-fluff ways to build real digital income, subscribe and join the crew. Thanks for watching till the end. Let's go make some profit.